Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Beelinguapp, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Beelinguapp from. Open the app once it has been installed. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will need to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once you have signed up, check your email for a verification link if prompted. Click on the link to verify your email address. Return to the app and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll see the main interface with various language options. Select the language you wish to learn. You can choose from multiple languages available in the app. Once you've selected a language, you'll be taken to the content library. Here, you can browse through various reading materials. You can filter by categories such as genres or difficulty levels. Select a text that interests you to begin reading. You'll see the text displayed side by side in both your selected language and your native language. Familiarize yourself with the features available, like audio narration. You can listen to the text being read aloud. Use the built-in dictionary to look up unfamiliar words. Tap on any word to see its translation and definition. Adjust the settings to toggle between different reading modes. Choose whether you want to see translations or audio options. Explore additional features like progress tracking and personalized recommendations. Spend some time reading and setting up your preferences. Now you are ready to enhance your language. If the page does not load, refresh the. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.